it's a lot of adrenaline because we are saving someone's life. Okay, we have to get ready. I always do walk around. It's very urgent, no time to eat. Things happen, you heard this.
40, 30, 20, 10.
It's a crazy evening today. We hope they will succeed. Didn't you think to be a pilot?
Yes, I thought about it.
Hi guys, this is Konstantin Fedchenko, your aviation expert. I'm with Massimo, the best captain on Citation. Massimo is from Italy. We are flying today to Zagreb from Ljubljana. We pick up 2 doctors and then we are going to Dusseldorf to pick up some organs. We don't know what's that gonna be. And from there we are flying back to Zagreb. This is very special, I never done in my life yet. But Massimo says it's a lot of adrenaline because we are saving someone's life, and this flight has no time limitation because we cannot be time limited.
And we can make sense of our job.
The weather looks good as of now. We didn't have time to check any weather yet because we had to rush really to the airport, so we'll do everything on the go. Everything on the go. Fuel receipt and briefing. The first flight is only 20 minutes, which is gonna be just short flight.
Ljubljana. Information departure to 6,000 feet.
So battery is on, beacon on, left side is clear, starting left.
Ready?
Right. Starter engaged.
8%.
Okay. Low, power pressure. I didn't have time to gather all the information about our mission. We left the hotel in a hurry, and the only thing I knew is that we are carrying some organs from either Croatia to Germany or other way around. It became evident that we are carrying heart to Germany once we arrived to Zagreb airport. My line training captain Massimo gave me several recommendations. When you are on medical flight, you should use hospital in the end of your call sign. This gives you priority and you always get best flight level and direct routing. Reducing then, ignition on, 3 greens, landing checklist please. For video.
Before landing checklist. Yes. Landing gear down,
Confirm.
Okay, confirm. Signal lights. Passenger sign safety car speed on. Off. Ignition on. Speed brakes are retracted. Just the flap. Speed is okay. We're at full 20. Full established on final. Missing. Clear to land.
Check. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Hyperion 033, clear to land, runway 04, wind 120 degrees, 5 knots.
Clear to land. Hyperion 033, hospital.
Landing light on.
Papa Hotel, Fox Juliet Kilo, roger sir. Taxi to holding point, Bravo for runway 04.
Flaps going to land.
Papa Hotel, Fox Juliet Kilo.
Check. And set. Autopilot goes up. Slightly
Speed.
below. Correct. We went under the glide. You see, the autopilot took us under the glide.
I know. But
So I'm correcting. Yeah, I'm correcting.
200. Minimums. Minimums.
Landing.
$100. 50. 40. 30. 20. 10.
Ready for reverse?
Citation 033 are able to backtrack to vacate via Charlie.
Confirm. Why not?
Via Foxtrot, position Golf 13 and vacate via Charlie, Hyperion 033.
Wow, that's a fast flight. Okay, we have to get ready to the next. Hello. Welcome. Thank you. No one here yet. Yeah. Okay, we will inform our operations. Hello. Dobar dan. So we will inform our operations and that we are here. I always do walk around, doesn't matter if the flight is short, long, doesn't matter. Who knows what could have happened in the flight. Look at the turbine, thrust reversers, vertical, horizontal stabilators, everything. Алле? Я слушаю.
Доктор. Как у вас?
Это Костя, какой доктор? Нормально все.
Ждете?
Ждем, да. It's good time to have some food while waiting for doctors. We will just stay on the aircraft and be very prepared not to leave and then waste some time by walking or getting here with the crew bus and so on. It's very urgent. No time to eat, time to go. Алло? Сейчас люди здесь уже. Здесь уже загружаемся.
Tower, Zagreb Tower, good afternoon. Hyperion 033 Hospital. Request a start clearance to Dusseldorf.
Good day. So you are four, right? Yeah. We can actually put everything inside.
But we have ice, so it's better to be.
Yeah. Just asking because I don't know. It's.
Yeah, when we are going back.
Bye. Okay, so short briefing for takeoff and landing. You know, you must defasten. In case of emergency evacuation, we just give commands. The emergency exit is here and normal exit is here. You open this door and push it outwards. Don't do this without command of me or the captain. My name is Konstantin. His name is Massimo. Nice to meet you. We will give you. You can take this water. We have some snacks. Just enjoy.
God bless. So Budi 1 uniform, straight ahead, Zulu 5809, left turn to Budi. Yeah. Initial climb 6,000 feet.
Okay. Taxi checklist. Taxi light is on. Avionic power switch, ampere meters checked. CVR check, passenger advisory lights set, anti-skid on, aft facing seat, avionics set. Another valuable advice was not to disturb medical crew which we had on board with us, because these are the same people who take the heart out of the donor and do operation of implanting to the patient.
Someone is overtaking us, but anyway, even though we are medical flight, it's time to check weather, because the weather doesn't care if we are medical or not. So matter.
We read Imperial 003 hospital request.
Go ahead.
May I fly Domus from present?
We are waiting for the call for the approval, and I'll call you back as soon as we have it.
Thank you so much for your nice coordination, sir.
We are trying to get direct to
There is
Domux.
Imperial 033 direct Domux.
Thank you so much, sir.
Yeah, and we got it, direct Domux. Domux is initial approach fixed for one of the runways in Dusseldorf. I'm gonna check that Massimo did this
Calling
well.
78 Lima Lima, descent flight level 320, 1,500 feet per minute operator.
Descending 320, 1,500 feet per minute operator. You're in 78 Lima Lima.
Domux set and check. Now mod here.
So, we back to the 05 light approach. ELS logger.
033, descent flight level 260.
Descent level 260, Imperial 033.
Descent checklist.
Okay, descent checklist. Defog fan
Is high.
on, foot warmers off,
Close.
distribution.
Is in cockpit, but I will leave a little bit for the cabin.
Yeah, very good. So the rest is pilot monitoring. Windshield bleed air not required. Bleed air switch. Cabin pressurization is set. For landing, anti-ice system not required. Fuel quantity checked. In balance. Ice protection systems not required. Radar altimeter. Radar is set. QNH will be 1017. I will put on the third one. 1017. FMS program speeds. Yours. What's gonna be reference? We approach VREF.
We approach VREF. Our speed will be 105 plus 10, 115 approach speed.
105, 115, copied.
I leave only the approach for runway 05 because I expect radar vectorings.
109.905. I put my side already. Okay, the ILS.
Yes.
Your side, you wanted to or no?
Not yet.
Approach briefing.
Perform.
Check annunciator panel checked. Seatbelts harnesses secured. Altimeters to go. Descent checklist completed.
Thank you so much.
Heading 030, climb level 250.
We have been informed that we have an outside position in Dusseldorf, Victor 20, I think it is, and we would require medical assistance on the stand, please.
Wow, someone has medical issue.
It's copied. We forward that to the arrival sector and contact now arrival 128.555.
128.555, hearing 36 November Mike. Thank you very much. Good night.
Good night.
Things happen. You heard this. Yeah, someone had an issue on board of your wings. I hope it's not that bad. And this is Köln on the left.
Wings 9,
And this is Dusseldorf.
identified.
This is Köln. Cologne.
Langen, good evening.
That is
Lupus
Dusseldorf.
132 passing flight level 288, descending flight level 250, inbound Copac.
Arrival, good evening, Hyperion 033 Hospital, descending level 150 to Delta Lima 504.
Two stations, understood, Air Force 46, Echo November, hello, expect runway 05 left, reduce speed to 110 knots.
Second hospital.
05 left and speed to 10 knots, French, Echo November.
Arrival, Hyperion 033 Hospital, level 150 to Delta Lima 504.
Hyperion 033, hello, expect runway 05 right, descent flight level 110.
Descend level 110, runway 05 right, Hyperion 033.
0X9551, turn left heading 360, expect
Funny.
a northern pattern, speed 21.
Funny to change the runway just when we almost arrived. Via hospital flight, yeah.
Heading 360, reduce speed to 10 knots.
Left heading north.
Director 128655, Hyperion 033, auf Wiedersehen. Director, good evening, Hyperion 033 Hospital, descending level 70 with heading 270 to for ILS runway 05 right.
Hyperion 033, I copied that on the first time. Now descend 3000 feet on 1016.
I descend 3000 feet 1016, Hyperion 033, sorry.
Okay, approach and clear for approach. Okay.
Delta Papa Bravo, can we take another priority flight in front of you because there is a threat level at the on board?
Of course, Papa Bravo.
Okay, in this case, turn right heading 340. Eurowings 36 November, Mike turn left heading 080, clear LS 5 right.
Left heading 080, clear LS 505 right, Eurowings 36 November, Mike.
Eurowings 36 November, Mike, yeah, fill number 2, continue approach, wind check 070 degrees, 5 knots, call you back.
Check.
Number 2, runway 05 right, Eurowings 36 November, Mike.
50, 40, 30, 20, 10.
The aircraft with emergency on board, and we have one more emergency coming over. It's a crazy evening today, crazy evenings. Very complicated taxi.
Yeah.
We overtake this Boeing via, so we were here. The Boeing is here, so we turn here, here, and then right again, and Golf 1.
Yeah, I know.
Now we go right here, Lima 9er, and here left, Golf 1.
Yes.
Yes, of course, I give you your number.
Put it here. Okay. Maybe it feels like it's too heavy.
You want the heavy ones first?
Yes.
This one first.
That one is also.
Thank you.
Good luck.
Thank you.
See you later.
Is it possible to go faster back home or?
I do my best.
Okay, thank you.
Yeah, I will be ready.
Will be some tailwind.
Yeah.
Better. It will be a bit faster.
Yeah, because.
Good luck.
I will call you. Yes.
After wishing good luck to doctors, we refuel, getting ready for the next flight, and then we hope they will succeed. Yeah, it was a bit crazy today with all these emergency flights for paperwork. I think one is enough. Everything is about robotics these days. Awesome. Of course, I like this. I like different. I like motorbikes and stuff like that. Wow, it's a cool view of the airplane.
Yes, it is. So I would pull it back, turn around.
Yeah. Riding on the floor. Na 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 na. You have a speedometer? How fast are we?
No, I don't have it.
It's okay.
But the maximum is about 17.5.
Uh-huh. You do it better than we do. Didn't you think to be a pilot?
Yes, I thought about it.
Why not? So cool. Thank you for a ride. Feeling done.
This is your first medical flight, right?
Yeah, my first medical flight. Thank you for watching, guys. Subscribe, like, comments. Thank you, Massimo. It's a good experience flying with you. Today I finished my line training as a captain on this citation Massimo has.
You are completely fully released.
Thank you very much. Paperwork we have to finish now.
No, we have on board. We have to do now.
Yes, we have to do it now. Thank you, guys, and it was Konstantin Fedchenko, KfW Aviation Sales International. Buy aeroplanes, fly, enjoy, save lives. Pa pa.